Guys, in this video I will show you how you can buy Binance coin on Binance. It's really fast and easy, but first you have to have Binance account. So if you don't have Binance account, I will leave the link, first link in the description below, so you can register your account completely for free in basically 5 minutes. And when you have your account, then you should log in, and then you should see on the top left corner buy crypto. So basically you need to add funds to your account and before you get a Binance coin. So as you can see here, the first tab is pay with, and for me selected British pound, but as you can see here, there is every single currency in the world that you can select and deposit your money on Binance through bank deposits, credit card, P2P trading, cash balance, or third-party payment. Totally depends on you how you want to add funds to your Binance account. And when you have the funds to your account, then you need to go to wallet and then fiat and spot, as you can see here. And then you need to wait for a few seconds until the page loads up. And as you can see here when you add funds, you should see your balance here, and in imaginary Bitcoin, how much money you will have in Bitcoin. But you need to then look for USDT, tether, and you need to basically convert your British pound, USD to or other currency to USDT. So press buy here, and then you will be redirected to another page. So for, let's say you basically deposit 100 pounds, or for example 100 pounds, and you will get 137 USDT, and then you need to buy USDT. And when you have the USDT, then you need to go to trade and then convert, and you need to put the amount of USDT here. So let's say 137, and then you need to look for Binance coin and then press preview conversion, as you can see here. And for this amount of USDT, you will get almost half Binance coin. So for me, as you can see here, is an efficient balance because there is no money on this account. But basically then you need to press convert and you will get your Binance coin. Right? So guys, that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.